Have you ever asked friends and family for financial advice, or maybe picked up a book, listened to a podcast, or researched a rule of thumb? The information might seem solid, but let's face it, we can't help but worry that we're following the wrong advice. Hi, I'm Bradford Ferguson with Halter Ferguson Financial. Following financial advice that isn't specific to you is a recipe for frustration, but there's just so much of it out there, and so much of it doesn't agree. Not to mention all the fear-mongering doomsayers in the media. If you feel overwhelmed, you aren't alone. Confusion in this situation is common. Just so much riding on making the right decision. We don't believe that something so critical should ever be based on a guess. It should be based off of your financial framework and personalized risk assessment. You wouldn't take someone else's prescriptions. Why would you take someone else's financial advice? If you want to learn more about how to avoid the wrong advice, join our Facebook group, The Wealth Multiplier.